Not a whole lot going on in here today. We're looking at American Airlines here on the weekly chart. You can see we ended the day 12.57, down around 23 cents on the day. Pull back in here pre-market and basically a whole lot of nothing after that. Where does that kind of put us here on the week? Well, you got a low to high in here of around $1. So about 90 cents off. High in here, 13.38, low of 12.48 coming in today. Where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Well, this 12.55 area is going to be key for us because that is our 38.2 fib level. So that does need to hold. If not, then we're looking at this $12 psych level here. And then we're looking at the $11 level right here, which is going to be your 23.6 fib level. Now, as far as resistances go, $13, obviously nice whole number. That is going to be a place that we need to breach and breach quickly. If we do that, then we have to worry about that 1330 area. So the reason that the 1330 area is important because on the technical basis here, the 200 SMA on the daily, that's kind of right where that's trading at. I know it's at 1325 right now. That's because we had 3 red days in here in a row. But that is going to move, right? So, and you can see that's where we're rejected in the past, right? That whole 1330 area in here. So wherever this 200 SMA does start to match up here with our stock price, that is going to be a point of resistance for us. But first, we have to worry about that $13 cycle level first, and then we can worry about the 200 SMA in here on the daily chart. Anything above that, then we're going to be looking at this 13.8 here. That's going to be your 50% fib or this 200 SMA on the weekly chart, whichever one of those do come first. Now, overall, what is the volatility looking like in here? Well, the IV rank is sitting right at $19 in here. So a little bit of juice in here coming in the past 3 days overall with the overall market pullback in here, right? Right around a 20-cent expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration, 50 cent by next Friday. If you go all the way out to September, right around a $1.13 priced in by that expiration for an expected move in there. So we'll see how traders start to play this going into next week, see what's going to happen in here. Is that 12.55 going to hold? That is going to be a key level for us to watch. Anything above that, we're looking at 13. Anything below that, we're going to be watching that $12 area. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.